It's so easy and delicious that you can cook it every day. Delicious cabbage recipe. Let's start by cutting up half a cabbage. If you want to keep receiving our recipes every day, don't forget to interact with this video. Put the cabbage in a bowl. Here at home there's nothing left over when I make this recipe. I'm going to grate a carrot. Take the opportunity to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add the carrot to the cabbage and mix. Chop the spring onions to taste. Give this recipe a rating from 0 to 10 so I can see how you like it. Add the spring onions to the other ingredients and mix. Add black pepper to taste. Salt to taste. Oregano to taste. Mix these spices well with the cabbage. This recipe will surprise your family with how delicious it is. Add 2 egg whites. Mix well. In a frying pan, add a drizzle of oil and spread it around. Now add 2 portions of cabbage to the pan. Fry until golden brown. Add the 2 egg yolks, 1 for each portion. Cook for 3 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Easy and very delicious. I hope you've enjoyed yet another delicious recipe. Make it at home and come back and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, see you next time and bon appetit!